So have you seen the Adidas Originals Digital 2-Ring M Watch? Yeah, it looks a lot like the Casio Ring Watch CRW001, and that's not a coincidence. Ever since Casio's ring watch took off, this whole watch as a ring thing has quietly turned into a trend. We've already seen brands like Timex step in, and now Adidas is jumping in too, teaming up with Timex for this one. But here's where Adidas does something different. It simplifies everything. You're getting a small stainless steel ring with a digital display that shows just the time. No seconds, no date, nothing extra. And that's intentional. By cutting out the clutter, the numbers are bigger, cleaner, and way easier to read at a glance. The build is pretty straightforward: metal case, mineral glass on top, and a flexible expansion style band so you can just slide it on without worrying too much about sizing. It's got 3 ATM water resistance too, so splashes are fine, but don't take this swimming. And honestly, that tells you everything about this product. It's not trying to be a gadget. It's basically wearable jewelry that tells time. It drops April 17th in the US. Now, compare that to Casio's approach. The CRW001 is doing the exact opposite. It tries to cram a full digital watch into a ring: seconds, date, stopwatch, alarm, even dual time zones. It's way more functional, but also a bit more complex, and the fixed sizing means you'll probably need spacers to get the right fit. That's really the split here. Adidas is going for simplicity and style. Casio is going for features and utility. What's interesting is they're priced almost the same in the US. The Adidas ring comes in at $125, right around where the Casio sits. So choosing between them isn't about budget, it's about what you actually want. And this feels like the start of a new niche: tiny, nostalgic digital watches reimagined as rings. Adidas is clearly targeting the fashion and streetwear crowd, while Casio is leaning into that classic digital watch DNA for people who still want functionality. Same idea on the surface, but two completely different philosophies underneath. For more such interesting videos, subscribe. Peace.